It is possible to convert a current test quiz to a question bank without recreating all the questions. First, you would navigate to your test that you have in Schoology, click the little gear icon, and you will save it to your resources. Now it needs to be in your resources. I'll just leave it in my home, but you could put it in a subfolder if you want. Then I will navigate to my resources. I'll click on the resources menu and choose personal, since that's where I saved it, and then I need to find the assessment inside of my resources. Once I've located my assessment, which is right here, I will click the gear icon next to it, and notice now there's an option to convert questions to a managed question bank. You can also move question banks in here as well. Then, in the same process, then you'll see on the assessment team, these are the assessment teams I am part of in which I can move them. I could also choose a subfolder. So for this, I'm going to go down and choose the on-demand sandbox because I want it in that location, and then I will convert. And now this question bank will be moved into that location. If I navigate to my assessments now, click resources and assessment, I can go into that assessment team area that I have, and I can find my folder that I moved it into, and if I click in there I will find that test bank that I've just created. Notice it takes all the questions from the test and packages it into one test bank. That's the only way it will work. They are not yet published, they are still drafts, so I can come in here and I can edit the question. It does save a lot of time because it converts the questions for you. And then remember, you can click the gear and you could move it to another location once your team has decided the appropriate location for that question bank.